What's up, YouTube? We're back here for Tuesday, the week 5. We have the PR squat double today. We have a cap at 225 kilos, so 496 pounds today, almost 500. Attempt for a double. We got it in us. Just like yesterday, we had that 130 key. Feeling a little crappy, but we're coming in the best hopes. We're gonna blast this shit up no matter what. So let's just get right back into it. Let's lock in for the week 5 primary squat.
100 days to make it over since the love. Self-righteous suicide. I cry what angels deserve to do. Maybe I'm just blind. So hold me when I'm here, love me when I'm wrong, hold me when I'm scared, and love me when I'm gone. Everything I am and everything in me wants to be the one you wanted me to be. I'll never let you down, even if I could. I'd give up everything, fight for your good. So hold me when I'm here, love me when I'm wrong, and hold me when I'm scared. You won't always be there, so love me when I'm gone.
Alright, so checking y'all. We just finished with our deads. I didn't really like put an intro in to the start of this Thursday session. Just jumped straight from Tuesday squats, the 220 double, which was super easy, to the today, the 225 double we pulled on deadlifts. Unfortunately, was not the comp standard. I can count that as a gym PR, maybe. I had the up down, I muscled it back up, and I locked it out for a half second. I just really flipped out of position there. I probably should have taken a step back and then went for like a cluster double, but before coming into the session, I said I didn't want to cluster double it. I wanted to hit it back to back like a normal double, keep my hands in the bar. In doing that set, I kind of like readjust, got myself like set up back ready again after I hit the first single, and that's just not normally what I'm used to in my deadlift setup per se, or in my heavier reps. That's not how I set up normally. Once I'm set up good, and I just go for another one. I don't like get my grip set again and like try to like readjust my shoulders and like pulling back whatever stupid stuff I was doing in between there to like get myself in the proper positioning. I should have just went for it like a second after. Should have just like given it like 2 to 3 seconds, breathed it out, and then went for another one like I normally do. But I didn't. But still, I counted, hey, that's a PR on the stiff bar, single and double. Yeah, the most I've ever done on the stiff bar, I think, was 220 before that. I think. Yeah, 220, so that's technically a 5 kilo PR, and we doubled it, gym double. Wouldn't have been comp standard, obviously, because I had the up down. Then we did that, we had a 3x6, fourth 150 after. I knocked that out real quick, only recorded one set. But yeah, now we're gonna get into, I think I have back accessories. Yeah, back accessories. And then gonna get out of here, and then I'll probably see y'all on Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a separate video on Friday. So that's my cue. Maybe 6 feet ain't so far down.